Hi. So in this video, we will see some short questions on statistics. In my previous video, I've already explained the complete statistics chapter with an example problem for better understanding. So here in this video, we are going to do a very important question which have almost come every time in your board exam. The first one here is the median of the following data is 16. Find the missing frequency A and B if the total frequency is 70. So the total frequency is given to us 70. And here the value of median is already given. Many a times what happens, you get the table and you need to find the median. But this is one such question which will definitely come is the missing frequency. Sometimes it might just be one missing frequency. Here we have two missing frequency. It's one and the same, the method. So first thing is we need to find the cumulative frequency. So how do we find the cumulative frequency? The first one we just write the same, and here onwards the next one we add the frequency, the next frequency to the previous cumulative. So A plus 12 is 12 plus A. Now 12 plus 12 plus A is 24 plus A. 15 plus 24 plus A is 39 plus A. B plus 39 plus A is 39 plus A plus B. 6 plus 39 plus A plus B is 45 plus A plus B. Again, 6 plus 45 plus A plus B is 51 plus A plus B. And 4 plus 51 plus A plus B is 55 plus A plus B. All right. After this, we already know that the last cumulative frequency is basically same as the total frequency. Now here we have the missing frequency. For instance, we do not have the missing frequency. We have all the numbers given. So when we are finding the cumulative frequency, make sure that the last cumulative frequency matches with the total frequency. They should be equal to each other every time. So here we can equate them. So 55 plus A plus B is equal to 70. So A plus B is 70 minus 55, which will give us 50. Okay, so let this be one equation. Since you need two unknowns, you will have two equations automatically. Now, the other equation, how do we get is the median is given to us. What is the median? Let me write the median formula. Median is equal to 16 given. What is the median? L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency whole by frequency into the class size is equal to 16 given. Now, before substituting the values, you need to first find the median class. The median class is basically the middlemost class. Now, here we have 8 frequencies. So, middlemost can be either 15, 15 to 20 or 20 to 25. You can consider either of them. So, I'm going to consider 15 to 20. So, this is my median class. So once we get the median class, you can easily get the values in the formula. So L, what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. Here the median class is 15 to 20. Lower limit is 15. N is the total frequency. Total frequency is 70. So 70 by 2 is 35 minus CF, cumulative frequency, is the cumulative frequency of the previous median class. So this is my median class. Cumulative frequency should be considered the previous one, which is 24 plus 8. All right. You need to put it in the brackets so that you do not get mistake in the sign. Now frequency is 15 over here of the median class, and class size, you can see the class size 0 to 5, 5 to 10, it will be constant every time. It is 5 is equal to 16. Now this 15 can be transposed to the other side. I get 16 minus 15, and you can open up the brackets. 35 minus 24 minus 8. Now I can reduce 5 ones, 5 threes divided by 3. So 35 minus 24 is 11 minus A is equal to 16 minus 15 is 1. So 3 when I transpose, it is going to multiply. 3 into 1 is 3. So here we get A is equal to 11 minus 3. So from this, value of A is equal to 8. Now, once we get the value of A, you can substitute in this first equation to find B. So we know A plus B is equal to 15. 8 plus B is equal to 15. So B will be equal to 15 minus 8, which is 7. So this is how you find the missing frequencies using the formula. I hope it is clear. It is a short question in your board exam. So next question that we have that might come in your board exam is this one. If the difference of mode and median of the data is 24, so let me write what is given to us. Mode minus median is equal to 24. Then the difference of median and mean. So basically you need to find median minus mean. This is to be calculated. So let's get started. What is the condition of mean, mode, median? We have a condition that 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. This is the condition between mean, median and mode. Now here, what we'll do is I can split 3 median into 2 median plus 1 median is equal to, and here I can get the mode here, minus mode is equal to 2 mean. Why did I do this? Because I'm given the condition of mode and median. So now mode minus median is 24. So if I want median minus mode, so that should be minus 24. So rest I'm going to write as it is equal to 2 mean. All right. Now what we'll do is, so 2 median plus 2 mean when I transpose minus 2 mean is equal to 24. Here I can take out 2 common. Median minus mean is equal to 24. So median minus mean will be 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. So basically it is option number C. So this is easy if you remember the condition between mean, median, mode. So you should know this condition. You might get this question, but the previous question on the missing frequency is a short question. You will definitely get that in your exam. Be it if median is given or if mode is given or if mean is given, the frequency is missing. Either of them could come in the exam. I hope this is clear. Thank you.